Here's where I have the drawings, always well protected. These drawings I did it in Tokyo. That's the Japanese series. They are done with a gansai color, it's like the Japanese watercolors, and with ink. And the backgrounds I do on tea. Painting for me is inevitable. I need to paint, I need to draw, I need to paint, I need to draw. There is no option. We all have a mission in this world, I think, and I'm convinced is what I do is the following my instinct. And I have instinct for painting, I think. It's like hunting colors and shapes. I born in Catalonia, Spain, 53 years ago. I grew up talking histories about Picasso, about Dali, and of course affects me, you know. That's why I push myself to reinvent or try to do new series all the time, because I grew up seeing that guy changing completely the history of art. I'm always alone. I don't work as a team, I work alone all the time. So for me it's important, at some point I really need to show my work. That's made me happy. If somebody really get interested and feel some kind of attachment to my work, even they don't know what it's about, it's the mystery of the painting. This one I did in Japan too. That represents a machine who makes or control earthquakes. That's also, they were done in Tokyo. And still the same is black ink, some watercolors, and some wash, and the gansai colors from, let's say, the watercolors they use in Japan. This is from Taiwan. I call this drawing the best day of my life. And obviously it's an irony of the time, because the guy is here completely, let's say, alone. It's like the bird. It's a little bit chaotic, no? But I had that feeling there. And it's a drawing on paper, you know, all these drawings on paper with watercolors and gouache. This exhibition, Gods, Demons and the Sound of Water, it's inspired from my, let's say, working travels to Japan and Taiwan. I did a series of drawings, and then here back in Berlin, I work in some paintings and canvas, drawings on canvas, also following that, let's say, wave or inspiration. The part I like more on that trip was an island called Miyajima, which is close to Hiroshima, and it's a sacred island there. And I always have that thing there when I was there, because it was so close to, I don't know the distance, but with the ferry it's half an hour to Hiroshima. I imagine the monks when they did the day of the bombs and the things, the vision they had there and the thing. The gods, the colors, the way they represent everything, the natura, and how is everything so linked with the water. I felt like really excited. This work here is has the name of the show, Gods, Demons and the Sound of Water. And exactly what it represents is the symbiosis between the man, the fisherman, and the catch. The combination is the catch and the fisherman becomes the same, and could be a god, could be a demon. Graphite pencil only, and I use some wash. With the pencil, you cannot cheat too much, and with colors also not. You know, it's always the truth. I think today we follow so much things. Everybody goes in one direction, in that the same. I think perhaps it's better to try to go the other one. I do what I want, only. If they tell me, paint this, do that, I want this, that, it's finished. Without freedom, art cannot be existing. Freedom is basic, total. Freedom and the willing, like Picasso said, kill yourself as an artist and reinvent it, at least on my way. But the freedom to do what you want with that, without that, is another game. It's another game. Yeah.